Today is Thursday, and what do we do every Thursday? We join in with our awesome friend Kimmy's Kitchen and More for What's New to Me. Oh yeah, a great challenge. You can put it up anytime you want. You can share anything you want. And I love her channel, and she does lots of great content. Just go check out what she does, all kinds of shopping, cooking, joining in with lots of other channels for different things, and you'll never get bored watching her channel. Well, now let's go see what Grandma got this week for something to do with her Alice in Wonderland. This is the box it came in, and this is where it came from. The Hollywood collection, and this also is the Nutcracker series. Alice in Wonderland, the Nutcracker series. They have lots of other Nutcrackers, so please go check it out online and see if there's anything else you might want. Well, this is the last of my new pieces in the series of the Nutcracker, Alice in Wonderland. And I bought 3, and they had a lot more, but you know, there is a limit to how much Grandma can spend. But I thought I would try with these 3. If I can find the Queen in this series, I may try to buy her for next year, but who knows if I will ever be able to. But look at all the detail work on this Nutcracker. They do a beautiful job with the detail work and putting everything together. These are real cloth clothes, real feather in his hat, and a real ribbon around the base of his hat. A clock face here also. And a beautiful green bow. And all the spools of thread all the way around. And the beautiful velvet jacket. Finished off with beautiful trim around the cuffs. The different socks on him. A beautiful base. Everything finished off beautifully. Let me know what you thought about this piece. Now I'm going to share with you what the back looks like. Now keep in mind this is a Nutcracker, but we're never going to use it for one because I don't ever want one of these pieces to get broke because they were very expensive and they're collector pieces. And here's the back of this Nutcracker. I bought it from Mozart's in Redlands, California. It's sort of a high-end gift shop. They have beautiful things, and that's where I purchased this from. But I just wanted to share with you that they are finished front and back. And they are finished beautifully. But they are really pricey. And I don't know if I'll be able to get the Queen next year or not. We'll have to wait and see. I try to shop year-round for Alice in Wonderland. So if I run across something that I like to do with that theme, I usually pick it up. So the things you're seeing new this year, I bought them last year. And I have some things last year that I bought, year before, I didn't even share with you. If we have enough time this year, I'll try to work them into what I'm putting up. Having a lot of trouble with my tablet, and I'm also having a lot of health issues, and my husband is also. So we're doing the best we can. And so if I don't put something up for a few days, it's probably a health issue or a tablet problem. But I'm trying to get as many of these as I can done. leave me a comment and let me know what you thought of this beautiful piece that I got for Alice in Wonderland. I really, really do love him. He is so cute and so well done. Let me know what you thought. I couldn't believe all the detail work on the hat. I think that maybe is one of my favorite parts of it, along with the beautiful shoes and the base that it sets on, and that crazy face of his. It's a wonderful piece. They do lots of beautiful nutcrackers every year. But I probably won't be buying anything excepting to do with Alice in Wonderland, because that is my collectible habit. Alice in Wonderland and fairies.